In this video, we will learn about the different appliances which are used to measure the different components of an electric circuit. We will start with the ammeter. It is a device used to measure the size of the electric current flowing in a circuit in amperes, which is the unit of electric current, which we already talked about in the previous video. It is also called amp meter. It measures different current values like milliampere, ampere, or kiloamperes. The next device is called the voltmeter. It is an instrument used for measuring electrical potential difference or voltage between 2 points in an electric circuit in volts. You can see how it looks like in the pictures. It measures the voltage in lamps, motors, or batteries in volts. Now this is how we connect an ammeter and a voltmeter in the circuit. The voltmeter is connected in parallel and the ammeter is connected in series. Lastly, we have the ohm meter. It is called a resistance meter. You can see how it looks like in the pictures. It is an electrical instrument that measures electrical resistance.